Hi everyone, welcome to the Blindcaster Show. This is your host, John the Blindcaster, and another episode for Audiolab. And this time I will do both English and Tagalog tutorial, okay, for the benefit of our English speaking friends, para po sa mga ating mga kaibigan na English ang kanilang primary language. So we will do a two-prong tutorial, English and Tagalog. Okay, huwag mag-alala sa ating mga Pinoy brothers and sisters, and ano tayo, magtatagalog pa rin. So ano lang, double job lang ang gagawin natin ngayon. Okay, for today's feature, our topic will be about the feature of Audiolab in converting videos to audios. Okay, so sa mga gustong mag-convert ng video file to audio file, ito po, kayang-kaya pong gawin sa Audiolab. You can do video and audio conversion through Audiolab application. And it's very simple and straightforward. Napakadali lang po. So if you have video files, like if you have downloaded a big file, a large file over any social media platforms, you can any video format, you can download it, you can convert it into audio file to save your memory, to save the memory capacity of your phone. So kung ba may video file kayo, medyo large file siya, para ma-save yung memory ng inyong phone, pwede nyo i-convert sa sound file or audio file. Okay, so let's start. We'll open the Audiolab app and shift and select video to audio.
Video to audio.
Ayan, so yan ang hahanapin po ninyo, video to audio. So select lang po.
Video gallery.
So again, for Audiolab, when it filter all videos and audios. So yan ang kinagandahan sa Audiolab, ini-filter niya na yung mga video tsaka audio file. Okay, and then we will just select our sample.
Video sort. Folder view. Search. All video. Image preview. Image preview. Image preview. Image preview. All video. Image preview. Sample MP4.
Yeah. So
028.
So this is our sample file. Ito yung file natin for this tutorial. So select na natin.
Audiolab.
Okay, and then the next part.
1. Sample. Navigate up. Sample.
Yan, sample. Okay.
Play video.
So
Comment
let's
button.
play the video. Yan, play natin.
Trim audio. Audiolab Pro.
Ready, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ready, end.
Notification. Clear. Expand. Tools. Stop.
Alright, so that is our sample video. So what we're going to do is to edit out first all those unwanted parts. We will just retain the counting. So iiwan lang po natin yung pagbibilang, 1 to 15, tapos edit out natin yung iba. Okay, so again, we
0 hours. Slash.
So we will get the exact time. Kunin natin yung eksaktong time, no?
0 select trim. Video range duration.
Ayan.
0.0.
So, ayan.
286.
Doon tayo sa play area,
Video
saka sa
slider
edit
disabled.
area or edit markers.
Decrease left slide.
Ayan.
0 hours. Increase left.
Play
1
natin.
second. Decrease right. 0 hours. Increase right slide. Move left slide to start. Move right slide to end.
So again,
Comment button.
for large video files, you must click this move slider to the end. So ganun din sa ating mga previous episodes, kailangan gawin nyo to para ma-fill out o ma-filter lahat ng file. Okay, so play natin para malaman yung kung saan yung mga markers natin. So we will play this to know our start and end markers.
Trim audio. Audiolab Pro.
Ready, start. Okay, so that's for the start marker. Let's go back to the time to know what
20 0. Video range select 020 / 008.
So that's 8 seconds. So
/0
the start marker we will put 8
to 8.
seconds.
Decrease left 0 hour. Increase left slide.
So increase left slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
0 hours, 0 minutes, and 8 seconds.
Okay.
Increase left slide.
So again, if you have large file, you can edit directly here at the
0
time
hours, 0
area.
minutes, and 8 seconds.
You
0
can
0
just,
0.
click nyo lang to, you can edit your numbers here.
Increase left.
Doon
1
tayo sa
second.
end marker.
Decrease 0 hours, 0 minutes, and 28 seconds.
Ayan, so
increase right. Move left slide to move right slide. Play.
let's play it again so we will know where the end marker will be. Ulitin natin lang tapos para malagay natin yung end marker natin. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's the end of it. So you might observe that it resumed the playback. This is only good for short files, okay, for very small files for video, but for large files it won't happen. The resume playback will not happen. So kung napansin nyo, nag-resume playback siya sa maliliit na file lang yun. Ito seconds lang kasi. So sa mga malalaki, mahabang files, hindi kaya to, hindi siya nagre-resume playback. So let's go to the time area, the play area.
8,000. Select trimmed rate 028 / 018.
So that's 18 seconds. So on the end marker we will put 18 seconds.
Decrease 0 hours, 0 minutes, and 8 seconds.
So that's
0
our
0
start
0.
marker.
Increase 1 second. Decrease right slide.
So
0 hours, 0 minutes, and 28 seconds.
So
6.
from 28
Decrease right
seconds,
slide.
we will put 18 seconds. Gagawin natin tong 18 seconds. 11, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 19, 20, 19, 18.
0 hours, 0 minutes, and 18 seconds. 692.
Okay, so let's
Increase
play
right slide. Move left. Move right slide. Play.
Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's still an extra word there.
Move
So
left. Increase
at
right.
the start
0
marker
hour.
we'll add
Decrease
1
right
second.
slide. 1 second. Increase left slide.
Okay, so that will be
0
9
hours,
seconds.
0 minutes, and 9 seconds.
Okay, 9
1
seconds na yun.
Decrease. 0. Increase. Move left. Move right. Play.
Play natin ulit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright, so now we will trim this.
Move left slide. Move right slide. Sample. Help. Sample. Comma
Okay,
edit box.
so
Audio name.
You just need to edit this one. Edit nyo
Showing
lang
English
to.
UKQWETY. Selected text. Sample. A. Alpha W. 2. Q. 1. 1 replaced sample.
Lagyan na lang natin.
S. C. F. S. A. Space. N. M.
Ayan, let's put 1 SAM or okay na yung 1 SAM
Delete. Done. Default. Comma drop down menu.
para lang may identifier
Default.
tayo.
Comma drop down menu.
So yan na yung mga
Default.
default.
Selection mode on. 1 SAM.
Ayan, 1 SAM. Yan na yung ating file
Default.
name.
Comma drop down menu. Audio bitrate.
Yan, bitrate. So it's on default. Naka-default na siya.
Default.
So lahat ng
Save.
default okay na yan. So save niya natin.
Comma button.
So magiging audio file na siya. It will now become an audio file.
Keyboard hidden. Estimated time left. Output created.
Yun. So for shorter files yan, it will be faster, but for longer files, it will take time. So pagka syempre mag-igse yung file nyo, mabilis lang save.
One Sam. Storage emulator 0.
Yeah.
Play.
So if you want to play it, you need to go to your file folder.
Edit audio.
So if you want to
Edit
listen
audio.
to it now, you just click the edit audio and say you
Output
go to
option.
your trim. Pupunta kayo sa trim kasi lalabas dito yung pwede nyong pang-edit pa ulit.
One Sam 05.
Ayan.
12. Trim audio.
Ayan to, sa this one, let's choose one to trim audio. So piliin lang natin to para lang mag-play. Ipe-play lang natin yung ating file.
Audiolab.
Ayan.
Zoom in. Zoom out. Undo.
Pang-play lang
Redo.
to.
Setting. More op. Start marker. End marker 9. Audio M. Move left slide. Move right slide to N.
Ano lang to, para
Slash.
lang
0. Move
to
left slide to
check
play.
out yung ating editing na
Comma
ginawa. So
Move. Decrease left
we'll
slide.
just make sure that we did the
0 hours.
editing.
Increase left slide. 1 second. Decrease right. 0 hours. 0 minutes and 9 seconds. 744.
Okay.
Increase right. Play.
So let's play it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright, so we have already edited and converted our video into audio format. So if you have na-convert na natin yung video into audio. If you find some troubles with regards to the editing at the first option or first set of editing area, for longer files you might need to do editing via deleting the parts. Okay, and once it's converted to audio, the deleting of parts will be easier. So I may suggest to you that you convert the video file first into audio, and as a raw type, then do the editing, the trimming and everything when it's already in audio file. Okay, so kapag yung video file nyo medyo mahaba, tapos dun sa first part na ginawa natin medyo mahirapan kayong mag-trim dun, gawin nyo, i-convert nyo lang muna siya sa audio file as is lang siya, tapos i-save nyo lang sa magandang pangalan para may identifier kayo, malalaman nyo agad. Tapos yung trimming, yung audio, deleting audio parts and trimming of audio parts, dito nyo nagawin sa trim audio pag audio file na siya. Okay, so that's it. That'll be it for this episode. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed and learned another thing with the Audiolab. And thank you. Salamat sa lahat. And sana may natutunan na naman kayong bago para sa Audiolab. Okay, if you have questions, comments, just put your comments and reactions on our comment section on our YouTube channel. And yun po, magsabi lang kayo, mag-comment lang po kayo. And please subscribe, like, and share our YouTube channel, The Blindcaster Show. This will help us a lot. And yep, thank you so much. God bless everyone. Be happy, be safe, be healthy, and be wise. Bye.